Well, looks like I have a dirty truck again. This one here is pretty dirty. In the front. Alright, let's try this new stuff out. This is Waterless Wash. This is really under the microfiber kind of towels you have. Microfiber is where it's not so smooth and picks up many things. It looks like the waterless wash towels are much different than the drying towels. When you wash your car, you use your microfiber drying towels. They have a different microfiber now that is called waterless wash towels. And the directions you have to use two. And one is when it comes to wiping off. And the other one is to clean it off. So we'll see how this works. Turning this to on. And you go from the top to the bottom. You do smaller areas when you wash it. But this is where you don't have any water. And you lightly and that's how you lightly put it on, and you have to take it off wet, but it's all about wiping it in one stroke, and this towel is all about that part. And then you grab the other towel, you wipe the rest off before it dries. If not, you have to spray and wet it, and then it'll be nice and clean like this. And that's how that works with waterless, is with these two rags. And you keep these separate for step 1 and step 2. And that's how you hustle and go around and get that clean. So again, it's all about spraying the top. And it's actually top to bottom before it dries. You just wipe it one stroke. You think it won't work till you try it. And then you grab the other towel. It's all about getting it before it dries, and that's the dirt that rised up. This should look pretty nice. This is the dirt that you don't grab, so you have to rerun it. But it's all about putting a mist on everything. Once I take the big stuff off, then you don't have to get all the dirt off on your first towel. These on times, and I'll just grab it. Then I do longer strokes. Cars would be a lot easier, but these are the patterns you have to do when it comes down to how small the area is, and you do sections like that. And it's all about when it dries. It's a lot easier when the sun goes down like this, so you can have time to really get it done slower so it doesn't dry. That's how that works. I'll do the fender here. does the same no matter if you put it on heavy or really light. It's all about grabbing it before it gets dry. It's nice, a lot of these have wax in it, so you're actually waxing it too. McGuire's does that. That way you can see how fast that is. Alright, this one keeps falling around. I gotta remember where my first one was. It's usually the dirtiest one. That one stroke. You see how simple that is. That should look really nice. And then you just keep doing sections, and that should work out pretty good. See how nice that is. Waterless truck wash. This is it right here, wash and wax, ultimate waterless. And you can get this for $10. And this is at Walmart, McGuire's, ultimate waterless wash and wax. And this is the trick, is to buy the waterless wash towels. When you're all done, then I buy the tire foam and put that on the tires, and anything rubber, for example, the mud flaps. And then that's pretty well it when you wash everything, and then wiping the chrome, you see it cleans the metal really good, and the rims will be good. I'm all done with this. You'll see this side. It should look pretty nice before it rains again, or when I go across Wyoming. It always looks this dirty at this time. Up the landing gear real good. This gets the paint off and puts a little wax on it. Doing the tractor, it looks really nice. Getting the rims done. Go clean it up. Even getting the rails done. Looks real good. Easy to see the stuff I didn't do, so you can see the difference. How nice that looks. Nice without water. Front bumper, how it looks.